Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your search suggestions from Facebook. First of all, open Facebook, then click on three dots in the right corner, then go to settings and privacy, and then click on privacy shortcuts. Now scroll down and go to access your information. Now here you will be able to see your recent searches. Click on see more. Now you will have your complete history of searches here. Now just go up and click on clear searches. Then simply just to use the option of three dots and click on delete. Then you will be able to remove your individual searches and you can use this option to clear all your searches. So that's it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share.